Hey just welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool material right here, and basically what this is an indoor or outdoor doormat. And for the one that we got right here is a brand called Color&G or Color&Geometry. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. But let's fully open it to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do take it out. If you guys can see the pattern or the design on here, it looks pretty nice. They have like a white section, a black section, and a blue section at the bottom. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. They do mention the material that they use on here or the fabric that they use on here is supposed to help you guys trap dirt and also mud as well. So if you guys came home from a rainy day or something, that is where one thing actually comes in handy. And the way how they designed the product allows you guys to clean it really easily. So you definitely have the option to throw a machine to wash it, or you guys can rinse it with some water. And you guys also have the option to use a vacuum cleaner to clean as well. Or you guys can just check it off really easy like this. And when you guys turn to the back, here's basically what the back part looks like. So you see for the back part, they do have the non-slip material that's on here. So that way when you guys do put it on the floor, it won't move around. But you see for the one that we got right here, like I mentioned, it is a black and blue color design with also the white on top. They do have this available in many other designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. In terms of the size of the doormat that we do have right here, it is 24 by 36. They do have bigger or smaller size available as well. So you definitely want to do your own measurement for that as well to see which one is best for you guys. And also one last thing that I do want to mention about the doormat is the fact that they do mention how it's actually waterproof. So if you guys do spill water on here, it should be fine. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the actual doormat right here, it does feel pretty lightweight. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm going to put this down on the floor to show you guys what it should look like first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do put it onto the floor. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. And you can see how low the actual product is. So when you guys try to open the door, let me show you guys what happens. You can see how it slides through really easily. And when you close the door, it just goes by so easily because of how thin the actual mat is. And then when you guys try to move it, it won't move because of the non-slip material that's on the bottom. So whether if you guys want to use it indoor or outdoor, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Welcome back guys. So now there's a quick test the product, definitely see actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it as a doormat indoor or outdoor, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But we see how thin the product is when you guys actually use it. So as long as you guys don't have anything cover the bottom of your door, you do have the option to slide it in and out. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality doormat that has a similar design that's on here and the same benefit as well. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.